All right, let's make some Salmon BLT Sliders. This is all the ingredients you're going to need. Your Kickin tartar sauce, lettuce, tomato, cooked bacon, salmon patties, and toasted buns. So let's get to it. In one bowl, you're going to mix 1 cup of buttermilk and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. This is what we're going to put the salmon patties in. Then you're going to use 1 tablespoon of my Chef Nellie's Anytime seasoning and 1 cup of fish fry. That's what you're going to dredge the salmon in. Oh, look at these beautiful salmon pieces. Okay, so you're going to portion them into 4 to 6 pieces, just small enough to go on the sliders. Now you're going to dip your salmon into the buttermilk mixture and dredge them in the seasoned fish fry. Now deep fry your salmon at 350 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes. Oh my God, look at that. Oh! I decided to make a quick sauce called my Kickin tartar sauce to put on the sliders. So it's just mayo, cocktail sauce, mustard, dill relish, and fresh minced garlic. So mix all that up together, and that's what's going to go on that slider. Once the sauce is ready, then we're going to start building our slider. Oh, look at that sauce. Yes, baby. Okay, so toast your buns and then add your sauce on the bottom. I did the bottom and the top. Then you're going to layer on your lettuce, tomato, bacon, and your salmon patties. And just look at how this is going to turn out. Now, this is perfection. Yes, honey. Okay, serve up this dish with your favorite side and you will not be disappointed. Follow me for more content like this.